Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Silverado garage door opener. First, you'll need to locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. We'll begin by clearing any old programming, then move on to linking your garage door remote. Finally, we'll test the connection to make sure everything is working smoothly. It's a straightforward process that will have your opener ready in no time. To start fresh, you need to clear any old programming. Simply press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them down until you see the indicator light, which is usually small and red, begin to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous settings have been successfully erased. Once it flashes quickly, you can release both buttons. Now, let's program your new opener. Hold your garage door remote control about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light flashes rapidly. For garage door openers with rolling codes, you'll also need to press the Learn button on your actual garage door opener unit in the garage. It's time to test your new programming. Simply press the home link button you just programmed. Your garage door should now open or close smoothly. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Just repeat the programming steps, paying close attention to each detail. Sometimes, a second attempt is all it takes. If issues persist, refer to your garage door opener's manual for any specific instructions it might have.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.